Hello, let's talk about advanced maternal age today. What is advanced maternal age? It is the pregnancy that is achieved after the age of 35 years. So, what are the risk factors associated with it? The first would be decreased fertility. As the age increases, the quality and quantity of the eggs decrease. Second would be increased risk of chromosomal abnormalities like Down syndrome, trisomy syndrome, that trisomy 18, 15. Third would be pregnancy related complications and risks like gestational diabetes, preeclampsia, eclampsia. Then there's stillbirth, there's incidences of stillbirth, miscarriages, birth defects, twins, placenta previa, difficult labor, and so on. The third would be how do you take care of yourself? First would be go to your gynec, talk to your gynec. He or she has a thorough knowledge about it. Second would be try having a preconception counseling, as we call it, because this is how you're going to know that what are the risks associated with your health.